Okay, so we have a 1965 Honda CT200 90 cc's. It hasn't been ridden in 30 years. And here we just cleaned up the carburetor a little bit. And we did a couple of things. 1 second, puppy. Yeah, well, the battery was dead, so we had to. We have an 1100 cc motorcycle battery in there, and also the gas tank. This is kind of improvising a little bit, trying to get the gas tank to get some gas down to the carburetor, and we're gonna do our first test. And after 30 years, last ridden in 1982. And again, this is an Honda CT200. And we're going to do the test run right now. Alright, so here we go. Nobody knows anything? We'll figure out.